So good day everyone, welcome to today's training. I am Lillian Nzemichi. So today I'll be taking us on introducing teachers to blended learning. Alright, so for the purpose of this training today, we have just two objectives in mind. The first objective is on how to help teachers design their own learning approach that will help them meet or achieve a specific learning goals or objective, okay? And the second one is also to help teachers identify how they can use blended learning approach in their daily teaching. So having said this, I will move forward to explain the meaning of blended learning. So blended learning is very simple. It's just the incorporation of technology into our traditional way of teaching. Okay, so it's just very simple. It's not distorting our curriculum. All right, so it's just all about bringing in technology in our classrooms. So it helps students to study or learn at their own pace and at their own level. And it also makes available both online and offline resources where children can actually, look at and then learn better. All right, so for this training, I will just bring out 5 strategies that we can use to achieve all of this. And one of them I mapped out here is employ multiple instructional materials. Now, blended learning actually avails us a lot of online and offline resources, and this will help enhance learning for the children. And the second one is the use of technology to reinforce learning. Yes, when we have spoken to the kids, when we have explained our lesson notes and all of that, by the time we introduce technology, it reinforces what has been said, and it makes the picture clearer. It makes learning clearer for the children. That way, the learner gets to take home one or two things from the lesson. And the third one is it experiments with teaching techniques. Now, this gives us the opportunity to also try out various teaching approaches that we have. Having the learners at the back of our mind, the different types of learners we have in class, it avails us the opportunity to use various teaching techniques. So the fourth one I'm going to point out here is what? It adds spices to assessments. Now, in this way, we are not limited in the method we're going to use in assessing the children, okay? So it gives us various assessment level or method we can also use. And the last one I brought out for this purpose of this training is that it helps us to connect digitally for group work. It helps the children to connect. It helps the children, like once you introduce technology in classrooms, it makes the lesson fun, and the kids are meant to connect with other children that they see in the videos that we use. That way they can go global. All right. So when all these strategies are put in place, there will be flexibility, there will be collaboration, and there will be assessment of resources, engagement in the classroom, and finally, better insights. Okay. So I hope with this training that we'll be able to plan our lessons better, and with the implementation of the strategies mentioned, we'll be able to design our own blended learning approach, and then we'll be able to identify how we can use them in class. This is just simple. It's going to help us. It's going to simplify learning and help us achieve the objective for the day. Thank you.